I was gifted this 3D metal wasp puzzle. If you love a good challenge, this mechanical wasp puzzle is perfect for you. Right from the start, you can see the quality of the materials, the metal pieces are precisely cut, and they fit together seamlessly. The instructions are detailed, but be prepared for a bit of a challenge. This is not your average puzzle. The assembly process requires patience and a steady hand, but the end result is worth it. The Northern Giant Hornet model looks incredible once completed. It's a stunning piece that showcases both mechanical beauty and intricate design. I found using a pair of tweezers and small pliers really helped with the smaller pieces. This puzzle is perfect for adults who enjoy DIY projects and detailed work. It's also a great birthday gift for men who appreciate craftsmanship and unique models. Just make sure you have a few hours to spare. It's a time consuming process, but it is incredibly rewarding once it's complete. One of the things that stood out to me was the mechanical movement of the wings. The gears actually move, which in turn moves the wings. Overall, I highly recommend the Northern Giant Hornet 3D metal puzzle. It's challenging, fun, and the final product is something you'll be proud to display.